Bitwarden has been gaining traction as a go-to solution for password management, especially for those who prioritize security and transparency. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes Bitwarden tick and whether it's worth your time. At its core, Bitwarden is an open source password manager that allows users to store and manage their passwords securely. It offers a straightforward user interface, which makes it accessible whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro. You can generate strong passwords, autofill them across various platforms, and even share credentials securely with trusted contacts. One feature that stands out is the end-to-end encryption, meaning your data remains private and secure from prying eyes. Plus, Bitwarden offers cross-platform compatibility. You can access your vault from your desktop, mobile device, or even through browser extensions. The community-driven approach means constant updates and improvements, but sometimes it feels like there's a bit too much reliance on user feedback for feature requests. However, while the basics are solid, some users might find the premium features like advanced two-factor authentication are a bit lacking compared to competitors. Let's talk about what works and what doesn't. On the plus side, Bitwarden's open source nature is a huge win for transparency. You can actually see the code behind it. The pricing is also quite reasonable, especially for the premium version, which adds some nice features. However, there are some frustrations. The user interface, while functional, might feel a bit clunky compared to sleeker competitors, and while the free version is robust, it lacks some advanced features that might leave power users wanting more. Trust-wise, while the open source model is reassuring, some users may still feel uncertain about storing sensitive data in any online service, no matter how secure. That said, for budget-conscious users or those who value transparency, Bitwarden could be a great fit. In conclusion, Bitwarden is a solid choice for anyone looking for an open source password manager that prioritizes security and affordability. If you're someone who values transparency and doesn't mind a few quirks in user experience, give it a shot. But if you need a more polished interface or advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives.